Hello friends, in this video tutorial let us see an important concept of how to deploy SSIS packages in the form of SQL Server jobs. For this we have taken a package that we had developed in our earlier video. So in this package a for each loop container points to a folder in which there are two Excel files. Now it uses a variable to pass the value of a current file to the data flow task. So this is a folder where two files are there. In one Excel file, there are 25 records for India. In another Excel file, there are 25 records for US. So let us run our package. So as the package has run, we can see that there are 50 records inserted by our package. So let us delete those 50 records. Now there are no records. Now let us deploy this package to our SQL Server database. Now we need a folder in the SSIS catalog. So let us create a folder. Let us provide this folder for deployment. So as we can see, our package is now deployed. Let us execute our package. So the package has ran successfully and there are 50 records. Let us delete those 50 records. Now we cannot always run our SSIS packages by right-clicking the package and selecting the execute option from its context menu. We need a mechanism by way of which we can schedule the SSIS packages to run as jobs, SQL Server jobs. So for this, let us create one SQL Server job. Let us give a name to this job and let us create first step in this job by providing it a name. So we will select the option of executing SSIS package as part of this job. Let us select the server in which our SSIS package is lying inside the SSIS catalog, and let us go and select the exact package from the SSIS catalog. Now let us go to the schedule and provide a schedule for this SSIS job to run. Let's say this SSIS job should run every minute. So now we have gone to the view history of SSIS job. It is yet to execute. So we can see now the SSIS job has ran one time. So let us go to the schedule part of our SSIS job and let us delete the schedule so that it doesn't run for the second time. Now we can see that the job has ran successfully, indicated by two tick marks in green color. Over here also we can see that the job has ran successfully. Now what if the job doesn't run successfully and encounters any error? Then how can we find the error? That is a question. For this, let us go and first of all introduce an error. So we have gone to the parameters for the connection string, and we are deliberately providing a wrong connection string. We'll put a 1 over here, and there is no server with this name, right? So it should fail. So now when this job runs again, it should fail. So let us provide the schedule again. Let us run it every minute. Let us see the status of the job in the view history. Now it has ran and it has failed. So let us delete the schedule so that it doesn't run again. Now if we go to the details part, it will show us that the job has failed. Now if you want to know the exact reason why this job has failed, we can go to the reports. We can go to our package SSIS DB and right click it and go to the reports. We'll go to the all execute all report. There is a failure which is being shown at the top, right? Let's go to the overview section. It gives us many details like the connection string that was used, and we can see there is a problem in the connection string. We can also go to the view messages option, and over here we can find that there is something called error written over here, right? So we can go to its context, and over here we can find the details about the step where it has failed. Okay, so we can see over here that the connection string is not correct. So let us delete this job. Let us now go to our package and correct the connection string. Okay, so now we are correcting the connection string. Now let us script this job into TSQL commands. So now we have TSQL commands with the help of which this job can be run. Now let us create a new job over here in which we will specify TSQL as the option for the step. So this time we are selecting TSQL the way of executing our SSIS package. So let us paste the steps. So now we have created a TSQL job which will execute our SSIS package. Let us specify a schedule. Let us make it run every minute. So now the schedule has been specified. Let us go to the view history. So now we can see that the job has run successfully one time. Let us go to a table and it has inserted 50 records. We can go to the details of this job and see that the job has run successfully.